My name is James. I am the senior crew leader for Mr. Mow It All. I started as a grass cutter, which then progressed into crew leader, which then progressed into gardening and special projects senior crew lead. Last winter I was the head crew leader for a large private school that we serviced during the winter months. I drove a Kubota tractor with a variety of attachments on it. Primarily I was using a blade and a snowblower attachment, and occasionally a brush as well. I had some snow removal experience, yes. Previously I was shoveling snow. Last year I was lucky enough to be driving the machinery as opposed to moving it by hand. Being out of the elements. An average snowstorm, often the work for us, Chris directing the whole operation and then myself or the other crew leaders, it starts hours before the storm even hits, as we're out prepping the vehicles, making sure everything's got salt, making sure that the necessary equipment is at sites, in some cases even pre-treating sites to make the later snow removal an easier task. We service residential, small little driveway customers right up to some big condominium complexes. There's a lot of parameters that you have to stick to there. They have very high expectations of what they want from us as a company and as a team, and it's our job to make sure that that's delivered to them. The unpredictable hours of the winter season were a bit tough at times. Just put your head down and keep on with it, with the end goal in sight. There wasn't a lot of snow to work in last year, but the big storms that we did have, I believe my record was about 18 hours. Well, when you're driving a tractor up Jarvis Street at rush hour, you're not going to make any friends, let me put it that way. I would recommend working for Mr. Mow It All. It's a very progressive, forward-thinking company. I think anybody looking to make a career change or looking for a winter job, you've come to the right place. I would encourage anybody to get their resumes in, pick up the phone and talk to the office.